You might have noticed the sky was a little bit hazy yesterday.
So it's going to be like that again today and actually for the next few days. And this is the reason why. This jet stream is pushing smoke from the Canadian wildfires into our region. And some of it is going to make its way to the ground. So that means air quality alerts for counties in Pennsylvania today. This should also make for some really dramatic looking sunrises and sunsets over the next few days. So some good pictures.
Did we have one today? I don't know. Did we have a dramatic sunrise?
Well, there you go. Bill Henley here to provide.
We're going to reveal it in a minute. Did I steal your thunder?
Allow me to show the dramatic sunrise. You ask, I respond.
See?
Absolutely, just for you, Aaron. Check it out. There it is coming up. Now, look at that haze. Yeah, we had it yesterday, but it is thicker this morning. It is going to be hazy and hot during the day. That sun will still have an impact. In spite of the smoke and the haze, we'll see temperatures climb hotter than yesterday into the low 90s today. Tomorrow, showers in the afternoon. Those will clear things out and make for much more pleasant weather at the end of the week. A refreshing change with the humidity coming way down for Thursday and Friday. For today, though, that air quality alert is in effect. Unhealthy for some sensitive groups, children, elderly, and those with respiratory problems. You have to take it easy and stay inside on a day like today.